late start this morning. Basically had to hire all my camp gear, and then I had to but get a bunch of food for the next week. And I also went back to the camera shop, got my $90 back. Did take a fair bit of, like, almost begging you would call it, but probably almost 1 o'clock now and I'm at my first spot. Didn't even know that this really existed, but I'm here. So let's see what this bloke has to say about himself. Hey? Wow. Okay, so not only did I not know that that waterfall is there, but I've actually chanced upon another one just here behind me. So my next question is, do I hike across the place or face? Do I try and walk down? Bit of a nothing waterfall, but someone's about to have their wedding right here. They're somewhere behind me, but this is crazy. Right, so I'm back in the car now because it started raining, but I consider myself so lucky to have been able to see that because this is such a pristine location. I'm literally the only other person here, and I dare say not many people would even come here because it's not on the track, it's not like, nobody ever writes about it. And for me to be here at the same time as a wedding, I don't even know what to say. Just congratulations to those two, and I'm really sorry about the rain. Drove 200 metres up on the road looking for the turn off, and 2 more waterfalls to explore. Don't know if you'll be able to hear me, but the top of this waterfall is absolutely stunning. So I may have had to jump fence to get to this last waterfall, but I'm just gonna do these things. I mean, I didn't hurt anything or anyone, so just taking a few photos and leaving. Also, I can't believe that they literally just have 5 waterfalls in a row. Bang, 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 bang. Crazy. So it seems that every time I leave somewhere as well, it starts raining, so if that trend wants to continue, I'm not going to complain. that was easily one of the coolest things that I've ever done, being right inside that waterfall. This day just keeps getting better and better and better. I saw the wedding, went inside there, and now, if I can find it, I'm gonna go explore a plane crash from like the 1970s, so let's hope I can find it. So I've just chanced upon a bunch of caves. There's one here behind me which you can actually access, and there's one just around the corner. It's huge. Apparently there's like a whole bunch of them around Iceland. Didn't even know they existed, but pretty cool. So I also really need to start wearing gloves because my fingers are going numb. Look at this shit. So I just waited a stupid amount of time to get a photo because I was real nervous, and I am absolutely drenched. Just keep blowing straight. As soon as it lands, it just goes straight out.